Hi, my name's Sal Moreno. I'm from Lancaster, California, and this is my 1953 Chevy Bel Air. We just got it back from the paint shop. It has a 3-inch chop in the front and factory glass in the rear. It's a full air ride. The story behind the car is I got it in a trade deal, and it was originally out of Vegas. I got it from a lady whose husband and her dad built it for her. The car was in amazing shape when I first got it, but it just wasn't mine. So we had to take the paint down, do the interior, and do all that kind of stuff. My painter has had the car for the last 8 months. He's did an amazing job blocking it, sanding it, getting ready. His name is Rich. He's out of Palmdale from the hobby shop. And here it is.
Everybody's going to ask, what did you trade it for?
So I traded for a 1964 Chevy Impala wagon. It was a 9-passenger. It went to a good home. It was a hydraulic car. So we went from airbags to hydraulics back to airbags. So that's where we're at now. One of my favorite features on the car is the grill. So when I got it originally, I had a gold tooth and the tooth was painted. It looked cool, but it just wasn't the feature I was looking for. I was going to chrome it, but I think I talked to one of my buddies and he was like, let's gold plate it. So we took it off and actually had it gold plated. Now I think that's probably my favorite feature. I want to do little gold accents throughout the car, but right now that's my most
Favorite
feature. Yeah.
Yeah.
My daughter hates it. My wife's hit and miss about it, but that's one of my favorite features.
Perfect. It is all original to the car?
It is all original to the car. The only thing that's different is the headlights are Frenched. The car's actually shaved. It has the hot rod style antennas, and it also has a 56 Packard taillights. It's still a work in progress, so as you could tell, it just came from the paint shop, so we're still working on it. But
well, we don't want to give all the secrets away.
Yeah, not all.
Don't want to leave room for a debut, right?
Exactly.
Is there a set date that you want to debut it at, or are you still working on it?
No, I'm still working on it. I always try to push and have a faster time frame than normal, but I think rushing it has got me to where I need to slow down and make sure that the car's finished correctly before we move to the next phase of the car. So I've learned a lot building this car because it does take a lot of patience to build cars, but I have very little patience at times.
How many inches is it chopped in the front and the back?
So the front is chopped 3 inches, and it's actually factory glass in the rear that's been laid forward and recessed towards the trunk area.
For people who don't know, tell us about the laying forward.
About the what?
When you say it's laid forward.
Oh, so normally the factory glass sits up a little tall, higher in this area here, and what they do is they cut it out here, and then they cut it out here in the trunk section, and they actually lean the glass forward and down and back. Okay. Original builder did an amazing job building the car. It has great parts on it and everything. It just wasn't mine, and that's why I wanted to redo it and make it my own.
I love how the lines, I'm one of those people that look at the lines and everything just lines up nicely.
It does. Yeah, the painter did an awesome job.
Yeah. It really is so beautiful.
I love it in the sun because the way the metallic and everything in the paint, it sits really nice. And like you said, it shows the body line and everything.
All is the right places.
Yeah.
I wonder, I'm curious. I'm going to look up when I post it. I want to see what the original one looked like, like if they had trim. Because if the trim didn't go well with certain vehicles, and when I deleted it, it's like, oh yeah.
Yeah, so normally the trim comes all the way down, and on the Bel Air, it actually comes over, and then it wraps around and comes back.
Oh yeah, see, this just looks like really nice. You can see.
And I have some of this trim up here that I'm going to put on, but obviously with the chop, I have to redo the trim and get it chromed and stuff like that. So yeah, it's still a work in progress.
Beautiful. And this is it like a resto mod?
So that's a digital dashboard.
Yeah.
So it gives you everything at lifetime. It's not like the old analog stuff. It actually lights up blue and it goes really well in the car.
And it'll tell you like the temperature of the.
Correct. Yeah. RPMs. It tells you what percentage the fuel's at, and it gives you actual numbers. So it's cool.